Planted these the first day of spring, so yeah, they're a little slower start. We had the plastic covering, help them get keep nice and warm. Put blankets on top of them, and they'll be should be picking peas here probably in about 3 weeks. The bar hoops will go off this weekend. Take the plastic off. Okay. I'll grab my watering system here. This is something I like to do. Very simple. We have a very rather weak, slow recovery well, so I find it just by rotating this around throughout the beds, throughout different times of the day. I'll let it sit on a bed like this for a good half hour to an hour at a slow spray. Does not get much pressure on the water system. I do have drip irrigation for the raspberries in the summertime out there. The blueberries have it. Asparagus has it. But these raised beds here, they can tend to dry out quicker, so you do want to watch for that and keep them a little moist. This way we're not watering the whole bed, whole garden at one time, just focusing on a couple little beds, actually one bed at a time. Been doing this for years. Just an old water pipe, some wire stuck up here, one of those kind of adjustable hoses, brass type, and just wrap the wire around there, and here we go. And it'll sit there, let it go for an hour. It doesn't use much water at all doing it that way.